Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show of finding the sum of two radicals. So let's start. First of all, let's set that cubic root of 26 plus 15 times square root of 3 is equal to m. Okay, and cubic root of 26 minus 15 times square root of 3 is equal to n. Then our main goal is to find m plus n. This is the question. Okay, let's start. Now, if we erase each equation to the third power, moreover both sides, then first we'll get m cubed is equal to 26 plus 15 times square root of 3, right? And second one is n cubed times 26 minus 15 times square root of 3. And if you multiply m by n, third equation is m times n is equal to cubic root of 26 plus 15 times square root of 3 times 26 minus 15 times square root of 3. So which is equal to 3 root of 676 minus 675, which is equal to 1. Okay, now let's start from these two equations. So if you add both sides, then you will get m cubed plus n cubed is equal to 52, because this will be cancelled out, right? Now let's start from m cubed plus n cubed. M cubed plus n cubed, we can express this expression as m cubed plus 3m squared n plus 3n squared times m plus n cubed, and we have to subtract 3m squared n minus 3n squared m, right? And therefore this one is equal to, we see that this one is m plus n to the power of 3, right? Minus, if you factor out 3mn, then m plus n. And this is one is equal to 52. And notice that this is equal to 1, right? So therefore, our equation will look like this: m plus n to the power of 3 minus 3 times m plus n is equal to 52. Now let's set that m plus n is equal to x. So therefore we will get x cubed minus 3x, and if you move 52 to the left hand side, minus 52 is equal to 0. So we know that there are not specific formulas of solving cubic equations, so therefore we have to here factor it. So how to do it? So let's see together. I can express 52 as x cubed minus 64 minus 3x plus 12, right, is equal to 0. Now we see that here x cubed 64 is 4 cubed, right? Minus, if you factor out 3, then you'll get x minus 4 is equal to 0, right? And this is the formula. So okay, let me write. We know that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This. So therefore, using this property, we'll get x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x, and 4 squared is 16, minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. And we have here common factors, x minus 4 and x minus 4. Therefore, we'll get x minus 4, if you factor out, x squared plus 4x plus 16 minus 3, 13 is equal to 0. And here we know that here we will get x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the first equation, and where we will get x is equal to 4. This. And the second one, x squared plus 4x plus 13 is equal to 0, and we see that this equation has not real roots. No real roots. Okay, now finally, as we remember, m plus n was x. So here x is equal to 4, therefore m plus n is equal to 4. So therefore 3 root of 26 plus 15 times square root of 3 plus 3 root of 26 minus 15 times square root of 3 is equal to 4. Since this is m and this is n plus. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.